Hey guys, so many huge airdrop updates. First of all, Pixel Pals are back from the maintenance mode, so you can continue to plant and harvest your crops. And check your rewards. I opened like 6 boxes after this maintenance because they continued the experience points. And as you know, 1 minute is 1 experience point for your Pixel Pal. Another big update is that you can now link your MOCA ID with your Pixel Pals account, which means that at the end you will get bigger MON token allocation. I think the multiplier is 1.2. So link your MOCA account, but if you don't have the MOCA ID, I have a few codes that you can use to create your MOCA account. So you can sign up for that, and don't forget to farm your Pixel Pals land every day so you get a bigger MON token allocation at the end. Another big airdrop announcement that happened a few hours ago is the NIM airdrop for the Dimension stakers. I personally stake around 220 Dimension tokens and I got 239 NIM tokens. I don't know how much they are worth yet. I hope that they will trade above $1, but who knows. The best part is that they have a really big gaming partners and many big upcoming games will be running on the Dimension. And you can see the list here. So this is also huge for the future airdrops for the Dimension stakers. Another big airdrop update that probably many people didn't know about is the Zero Land point system. And as you can see, if you stake Pi tokens or Mantle tokens, you can qualify for some free tokens. So if you stake one of these or both, go on their airdrop website and claim these free points. All links are in the description, and if you don't want to miss any upcoming NFT airdrop and crypto alpha, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get the notification instantly and you don't miss out on valuable alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.